Welcome to What Car Should You Buy, where we give real people real advice about buying cars. This week, thank you, mailman. Ooh, we have a reader who needs to replace his 1999 Jeep Cherokee XJ with something a bit safer and more modern. But he'd still like to keep the capabilities of his Jeep. With a budget of $40,000, what car should he buy? As a former XJ owner and a total Jeep obsessive myself, I understand the challenge of replacing a beloved but busted Cherokee. Nothing on the modern market has that same combination of charm, simplicity, oil leaks, catastrophic rust that the Jeep Cherokee embodies. So we have to broaden our horizons. We have to take a trip to Telluride. Compared to that XJ, the Kia Telluride is, frankly, huge. Then again, just about any modern vehicle is huge compared to an XJ, a vehicle that was designed in the 1970s before Detroit discovered ergonomics. The Kia Telluride is remarkably safe, it's extremely comfortable, and it's really pleasant to drive. The fuel economy is not amazing, but for a mid-size SUV with a pretty good-sized third row of seats, it's okay. Your budget of $40,000 should easily get you into a Kia Telluride. But then again, I should be able to fit in the jeans I wore in college. These cars are extremely popular right now, and they're hard to find in dealerships. Does that make this a useless recommendation? Maybe. But then again, the rest of the Jalopnik staff was recommending things like 20-year-old Isuzus and Nissan Patrols that were imported under the cover of darkness. Compared to that, I think you'll find this advice downright reasonable. For more totally realistic car buying advice, check out jalopnik.com.